As soon as I walk into the bakery on Wednesday, I mix all the dough. I did a quick cheat, to be fair. I came in Tuesday night to mix the croissant dough. So that's why I'm laminating as soon as I get in all the croissant dough, and then I put in the fridge and then make cinnamon buns. And after finishing cinnamon bun, put them in the fridge and then mix sourdough for Thursday, which is for wholesale. And then shape all the pastries from laminated dough. And this week I had orange and poppy seeds as well. That's what I'm making now. And then when I finish these, I make plain croissants and pain au chocolat. And then after I finish shaping all of these, I put them like clean field and put in the fridge. I'm gonna dress extra special for sausage rolls. First batch done, 3 more to go. Be honest, I don't really enjoy making sausage roll because the faff I have to go through to avoid cross contamination and stuff. All the gloves, all the cleanup afterwards, it's just too much faff. And now this is Thursday, everything's in the fridge, bread in the fridge, pastries in the fridge. For the next morning, then I put on the proofer before the day end. One most important thing not to forget, which is putting on the oven on timer. So the on when I come in the morning, it's Friday, first thing first. Put all the pastries on the proofer. The proofer's fully. I put some more buns on top of the oven. That will prove nicely as well, probably even faster than other ones. And the next thing, incoming. Friday, busy one. Okay, let's put 15 minutes. What's next? Focaccia, where is the trays? Somewhere warm. Now, focaccia's there, bread is baking. It's time to mix white loaf, which is there. I'm gonna mix it now and then mix brownies. There's a lot going on. It's Friday as usual. There's white mixing. That's 2 kilo focaccia going in on the mix. Sausage rolls all baked. Look at these shiny, beautiful babies. Ooh, my God. Need to come and try this, man. Also mixing sourdough here for tomorrow. Started to bake pastries now. These croissants are nice and ready to go. I'll show you the wobble in a minute. It's a wobble or a jiggle. Jiggle. This is what you want for croissant. Woo! Jiggle. Woo! It's good, man. It's good. It's good. I don't usually bake croissants on this big oven, but today I'll have to. I didn't have enough trays yesterday. I needed 1 tray to use when I'm baking brownies in there. So I'm gonna bake them in here. Cinnamon buns are baking in here. That's the time. Yeah, I can open the oven now. Let's see if we can see. The first bake. So now I'm gonna open that little window here. And I'll load croissants as well. So this is a mixed load. So that is not colored yet. we do the colors and we bake croissants. I'm gonna put the timer on so it doesn't burn out. The croissants are easy to burn the bottom because it's layers, just a very flaky, it's easy to burn. So I'm gonna put for 10 minutes and then move. Put this underneath and continue to bake until you get nice and golden colors everywhere. It's time to get the croissant up. Let's see. Now. Just colors now. Let's come and check the white. Woo! Good. Now, let it bake. Let it bake for another 20 minutes, nice and golden, and out. It's focaccia time. That's what we need, olive oil. We're close to finish line. Baking last pastries, bread all baked. Well, this is the last bread going in. The pastries are still going. I think I need a bigger oven for pastries. I mean, that one still works, so they hang out a little bit. Go! This oven's not very hot. It's like maybe 200 something degrees. Yeah, around 200 degrees. So I'm baking for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Until it's nice and golden. Then yeah, chop them out, divide it, sort the orders, and then head out. The brownies are baby. Look at them. Ooh. The sun is out now. Oh, it's daylight now, isn't it? The sun is out. It's coming out, the sun though. Look at the sunrise. Beautiful. Let's go. Oh, gotta wait, just slow down. Oh no, no, don't jump on the stack. You've been moving too fast on the stash. It's usually the customer come. Bro. Brownies. So we have here onion poppy seed swirl, pain au chocolat, croissants, cinnamon buns, sausage rolls, focaccia, brownies, and some bread in the car and old pre-orders. So yeah, we're good to go. So yeah, this is the end of our video of our 2 or 3 days of prep and baking days. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.